Good morning everyone, my name is Bente Victorio and today I will be teaching you about permutation and combination. Let's do this. First up we have is the permutation formula. The permutation formula is P open parenthesis N comma R open parenthesis is equals to N exclamation mark or factorial as we call it here, and open parenthesis N minus R close parenthesis factorial. The meaning of the N is the total number of elements, the R is the number of selected objects, and the exclamation mark is a factorial. Brent's father forgot the password to his safe. Now he has to guess the specific 3-digit code. How many ways can 3 different numbers be chosen from the numbers 1 to 9? First off, we have to get the given numbers. On the N, which is total number of elements, is 9 and the R is 3. As you can see here, you got 9 from the 1 to 9 numbers that we have to choose from to get the specific 3-digit code. And the 3 is we get from the specific 3-digit code. Now we just have to replace the N and the R in the formula and then we're good to go. First thing we have to do, 9 minus 3, boom, 6. Boom, we put the factorial there. Now 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. We do this until we get the number at the bottom, and we stop at 6 because we have 6 factorial below and we had 6 on the sides of the times 6, so that we can cancel it out and it will be gone forever. And now we have 9 times 8 times 7. What do? We calculate it, of course. Do the calculator. Now we have P open parenthesis N comma 3 close parenthesis is equal to 504 ways. Wow, basic math. Now we're moving on to the combination formula. The combination formula is just the permutation formula but different. We have to replace the P with the C, and then we have to add an R factorial below the N factorial. As you can see there, the red circles indicates that we have only changed one thing, and that is add R factorial. A shoe seller is selling 5 variants of shoes with different brands: Nike, Adidas, Reebok, Lacoste, and Puma. Alteo wants to buy his 4th grade younger cousin 3 different shoes with different brands. How many combinations of shoes could Alteo possibly buy? First thing we have to do, use the formula. Replace the N with the R, but what is the N? The N is the shoe brands. It says here that the shoe seller is selling 5 variants of shoe brands. So we will be putting 5 and N equals to 5. And then the R are the shoes. Alteo wants to buy 3 different shoes for his younger cousin. Now we substitute the numbers and abandon the letters. Now 5 minus 3 equals 2. Boom. Put the factorial. Boom. Now we do the technique again. 5 times 4 times 3. We stop at 3 because there's a 3 factorial below it. And now we cancelled both 3's. Now we're left with 2 factorial. Now what do we do with the 4 times 5? That's right, we calculate it with the calculator. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. And now I'm teaching you how to calculate with the factorial with no calculator. Now all we have to do is 2 times 1 and boom, 2. If you had 3 there, it would be 3 times 2 times 1. Boom. Now all we have to do is divide the 20 with the 2. See, open parenthesis 5 comma 3 close parenthesis is equal to 10 combinations. Wow. That will be all I'll be teaching you today. I hope you learned something. Goodbye. And there I go, I just fall in love.
There I go, I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself, I fall in love with you.